Yan ba breakfast mo?
Yeah.
Oh, show them your brekkie.
That.
That's your brekkie. Say good morning.
Good morning. I open this thing. I'm excited.
You're excited. We also have strawberry for later, okay? Yummy ba? Ano yan? Egg steam cake. Oh. Egg steam cake. Mama's favorite coffee. This is Mama's favorite coffee since, 2015.
It looks.
I have ham and cheese panini. Yes.
Red.
Yours is egg steam cake.
Like I said, Mama,
Mm.
you share this with me.
Ito?
Yeah.
Share tayo.
Of course.
I will share
Mommy.
with you.
Oh.
Yeah.
Mommy.
Yeah.
Dada buy this for you.
Yes, si Dada ang bumili niyan, girl. That's correct. Yours. Sarap ba? Ham and cheese.
Cheese.
Hindi ka strawberry.
Strawberry?
Yeah. I have persimmon. You want to try persimmon?
Yes.
Okay. Yummy.
Yummy.
Mm.
I'm a ten ooh.
Ano?
I'm ten ooh.
Ayun.
Cheese.
Ham and cheese.
The yummy.
Anong gusto mong gawin today? Bye. Saan tayo pupunta today?
More.
Mag-mall tayo? May bibiling ka ba doon?
The hot.
Taho!
Yes.
Walang taho ata dito lang. Baka meron mahirapan tayo. Saan Magnolia yun?
Magnolia.
Not
Can
yet.
we buy?
No, pag uwi na natin. Not today. Pag uwi natin.
Not today.
Not today. Saan si Dada? Anong ginagawa?
In the store.
Ha?
Paper store. And this is Papa's room.
Ganun. Papa's room. Yeah.
This is Papa's home.
Papa's home?
Yes.
You like Papa's home? You share with me? Okay, I'll get, ha? What's the mama? Yay! Thank you. It's yummy.
It's yummy. I ate this one. Good.
Nagustuhan mo yung panini? It's yummy. Sarap tulog mo. Sarap patulog ko pa. Egg.
Egg.
Show them egg. Egg.
Egg.
Yeah. Ubos mo muna yung bread mo. just want the yung egg white. Oh, pati egg yolk.
Dog? What's the egg yolk?
Egg yolk? Ano mo yun?
I like this. I
Okay.
like this.
Okay, eat mo na.
Mommy, ooh.
Hmm?
Yeah, I take them.
Anong gusto mo kainin mamaya? For lunch?
Ito strawberry na ha.
You like? Wait, I think I need
It's sour.
Is it? It's not sweet? Nada paabot nga ang knife ulit. Andun lang, sorry. Makaberry. It's yummy.
Oh, but I want to try this.
Okay, you can try, of course. Is it yummy?
Yeah.
It's sweet.
I buy it.
You bought it. Ikaw bumili? Saan mo binili?
See the
Ito.
no.
Ito. Supermarket. Yummy Yummy ba? Yummy. Yummy si Persimmon.
Yes.
Yeah. Let me try.
Yummy, 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 give me. Ooh. Mom, I want to taste again.
Okay. Wala na
Can you hold it?
Of course. Is it yummy?
I buy it for you.
You bought it for me? Thank you. Dati, di mo lang masyadong gusto. But now, Pai is try na. Oh, Pai likes it, Dada.
Persimmon.
Yeah.
Ano yung nakainin to?
I don't know, you ask her. Pai, you gonna eat your bread pa? Yung panini medyo madami naman siyang nakain, so it's fine.
You want this one? You want to eat this one?
Yes.
Hindi niya yan. Let's give to Dada na. You can,
Yes daw, kasi parang nilapit niya sa kanya eh. Ayaw niya share.
Okay.
What is mine?
Yeah,
Okay. Kapag hindi mo na uubusin, you just give to Dada, ha? Okay?
It's yours naman talaga. Pero the fish last night was mine. It was not yours.
Oh no, inubos mo ba yung fish ni Dada?
Oh, you just give that. I just didn't know.
Small one lang. Yummy. Persimmon. Okay. What about strawberry? No? Muna? Persimmon muna?
Which one?
It's yummy. Sweet, diba? Pai, sweet. Sweet. Ganito ko na lang para di
The
ka
alcohol, Mama.
Ha?
The alcohol.
Saan alcohol? Ayun, sa table. Hindi ko alam kung tama pagkain, but ganyan ko lang. Okay, bye-bye na. Say bye-bye to them. Bye-bye. Look at the video. Bye-bye. Okay, Dad.